That shit is not a surprise to me. I really just blind to me.
What is up, Stack Hearts? You know what I'm saying? I've been having a hard time making my first video, but my guy Jay, he been telling me just do it, man. And shout out to the guys over there, Are You Leisure? You know what I'm saying? Today's topic will be sacrifice, and then I'm gonna get with my favorite stock and why it's my favorite stock, and what's our price target going forward. So let's get right down to it, y'all. I got a phone call earlier this week, about a business opportunity, and it got me to thinking, y'all, like it really made me feel like I was kind of out of touch, with the community, you know what I mean, and people's means, because for me, nothing's ever gonna come above investing, because I know what my money will do over a 10-year period when I put it in the stock market rather than put it in the savings account. But this guy was telling me, because I was like, man, we really just need to build this community and get these people to invest in. He's like, bro, that's not even the first step. The first step is to shift their mindset, because like if you don't shift their mindset, they'll never be able to even have the money in order to invest. So like I said, today's topic is sacrifice. You got to make those sacrifices if you want to be great, if you want to be, exceptional. You got to make those sacrifices. It's not just going to come overnight. So look, for me, let's just talk about me personally. I'm not even going to, say you should do this, you should do this. I'm going to tell you what I did and what worked for me. So me, I get out the way. I move all the way out the city. I move away, from my comfort zone, literally. I don't want to be around nobody that makes me feel comfortable. You see what I'm saying? Staxxx factual, baby. And I just kind of like put myself alone, and only thing I worried about is taking care of my responsibilities. And I'm not going to the club, so I'm saving money there. I'm not eating out a whole lot because I'm just not in the mix. You know what I'm saying? I'm all the way out the way. Me personally, I invest 25% of my income, but I mean, do what you can. I mean, if you can do $50 a week, $50 a week is great. You know what I'm saying? You got to start somewhere. And it's just going to be good for you just to see your asset grow over your period of time. So say, for instance, you may put $50, $100, $200 in Bitcoin. Me personally, I don't trust Bitcoin. There's not enough security around it. So I'm rocking with Ibit Etf, backed by BlackRock. But anyways, you might want to go put some money in Ibit, you know what I'm saying? $50, $100 compound over time. Maybe it's $50 a month, $100 a month. Just sit back and watch it grow. Watch the percentage growth over time, and you're gonna be like, man, I've been missing out this whole entire time. So the topic of the day is sacrifice. You gotta sacrifice, you know, fun, enjoyment now to get to where you want to go and really be lit in the future instead of playing like you lit right now. Y'all ain't having that much fun in them clubs. You know what I'm saying? It's the actual factual. Y'all ain't having too much fun on them trips, and it's hot as hell out here, you know what I'm saying? I'm outside with it. But y'all ain't having too much fun on them trips, you see what I'm saying? You can't really have too much fun without money, and all the information, resources, and everything are right here in front of us, so why not take advantage? You see what I'm saying? Staxxx factual, but what I'm saying is sacrifice some of these things for 1 year, whether it's the new Jordan drop, whether it's the clothes, whether it's that trip, you see what I'm saying? Just sacrifice for 1 year, and let me show you how you can turn your life around. Hey, and this is no gimmick, you know what I'm saying? We're going to show real results. This is a real man, you know what I'm saying? I'm walking my journey, and I'm allowing, I'm letting y'all in so y'all can walk this journey with me, because it has completely changed my life. You see what I'm saying? Staxxx factual. But hey, without further ado, let's get right into it, y'all. My favorite stock, and I already gave Ibit. That's one of my favorite stocks. I'm holding for the long term. I'm holding for a 10-year period. I believe Ibit, not Ibit. I believe Bitcoin will be $1 million. $1 million by 2033. $1 million. This is no joke. Once you see all these institutions buying up Bitcoin, and all these banks buying up Bitcoin, it's a real thing. And it's not to replace the dollar, it's to back the dollar and strengthen the dollar. So just remember that. Let's keep that in perspective. But yes, Ibit, that is one of my favorite stocks on my radar. And I gave that to y'all earlier. So look, I'm a man of my word. I'm going to give y'all a new, fresh, brand new one. You see what I'm saying? Staxxx factual, baby. This is for all the stack hearts. It's Googl. Googl is the one. It's the most undervalued company in the stock market right now within the Mag 7 to me, to Staxxx. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not going to lie. I've been making money off of it since it was at 155. So after earnings, they went up to 197. They hit their peak. And I really expected it to rip after earnings. Your boy, I was kind of like, man, what's really going on? But, we got some other stuff that's yet to unravel with Googl. They have a monopoly case right now with the DOJ, and that's pretty much just different states and companies coming together, and they're pretty much saying that Google's forming a monopoly with their browsers, and they're paying Apple and Microsoft and all that so that they can be their main browser whenever you log on. So they're trying to, you know, really, I feel like it's all a money grab. You know what I'm saying? Staxxual, factual, but yeah, they're supposed to be going to court in August, and I think once that case clears, Google's on a clear rip to new all-time highs. My projection by the end of August is 215. So, I mean, hey, for all my options, all my option players in here, all my option stack hearts, you see what I'm saying? Staxxual, factual. I got Google going to 215 by the end of August. Literally, get your calls in. I said it. Hey, I appreciate y'all's time. You know what I'm saying? It's episode number 1. Let's keep it going. Hey, if you have not yet joined the Discord, the link is down below in the bio, man. Hey, I appreciate y'all rocking with me. Staxxual, factual, stack hearts. We out.